So whenever booking a cruise with a ship, make sure the ship is okay, because as you see, sometimes those boats can sink, you know. Yeah, it's not a very pleasant experience. This one has luck because he's just very close to the shore, and he's pulling that. Is there anyone inside this boat? The guy is shouting "Давай вперед" means come on, let's go. Forwards, onwards is from the boat. He's going somewhere, I guess. He is pulling it. Is this boat lucky or unlucky? Pulling to the backwards, so this just can. Oops. He's pulling it slowly. I don't know if they're going to lift it here. I'm going to broadcast later. In Ohrid, no, in Struga. It's over there is Ohrid. Very nice day.